Hi students, this session is for class 7 subject mathematics chapter 5 conversions of metric measures. Topic conversion of units. Date 22/6/2021. Topics covered in this session are conversion from a larger unit to a smaller unit, conversion from a smaller unit to a larger unit. Let me start this session with the question: how do we measure vegetables? If you want to buy tomato, how do they measure and give to you? They use some weight machine to measure. If you want to buy half kg, they use this weight machine to measure the vegetables, and they measure up to 500 gram, and they will get money from you and they will give the vegetables to you. So, the basic unit of weight is gram. It is denoted by the letter G, small letter G. How do we measure pencil? Yes, of course, we can use the ruler to measure pencil. If the object is lengthier than pencil, we can use meter tape to measure the object. Therefore, the basic unit of length is meter. Likewise, how do we measure water? Yes, the packed tin are measured in liters. Therefore, the basic unit of capacity is liter, which is denoted by the letter L, small letter L. Conversion of units. The metric system is also called the SI system. SI system is a system of measurement used almost all over the world. In this system, a unit can be converted to smaller unit by multiplying it by a power of 10. A unit can be converted to larger unit by dividing it by a power of 10. Metric prefixes. Let me show some of the commonly used prefixes here. The first one is kilo. Next to kilo we have hecto. Next to hecto we have deca. Then the fourth one will be the basic unit. And next to basic unit, deci. Next to deci, here we have centi, and finally milli. These are commonly used prefixes. Okay. So, kilo refers to the number 1000, hecto refers to the number 100, deca refers to 10, basic unit is 1, deci refers to the number 1 by 10, centi refers to the number 1 by 100, likewise milli refers to the number 1 by 1000. What is the basic unit of length? Yes, of course, we know that it is meter, and we use meter tape to measure it. The basic unit of length is meter. So, in the place of basic unit, we have now meter. It is denoted by the letter M. Now, we have to suffix this meter to every prefixes, okay, which is before and after meter, after basic unit. Now, first let us suffix meter with kilo. It can be read as kilometer and shortly written as km. Both the letters should be in small letters. Okay. Now, if you suffix meter with hecto, we read as hectometer and it can be denoted as hm. Likewise, decameter is denoted by the letters DAM. If you suffix meter with a deci, we call it as decimeter and it is shortly written as DM. Likewise, centimeter is shortly written as CM and millimeter is written as MM. So, you know very well that kilo is the toppest, which means largest unit among these. Okay. Likewise, milli is the smallest unit among these. Okay. So if you want to move or if you want to convert a larger unit to smaller unit, we have to multiply the number by a power of 10. By a power of 10 means, for example, if we want to convert a kilometer to hectometer, we are moving one step from kilo to hecto. So we have to multiply by 10. If we want to convert kilo to deca, we have to move two steps from kilo to deca. So we have to multiply by 100. 10 into 10. For each step, we have to multiply 110 with the given number. Likewise, if you want to convert a smaller unit to the larger unit, for example, if you want to convert millimeter to meter, we are moving from smaller unit to larger unit, which means we are stepping up. So we have to divide the number by a power of 10. For each step, we have to divide the number by 10. Converting a larger unit to a smaller unit. Example 1. Convert first sum 4 meter 50 centimeter into centimeter. Let us move on to the solution. The sum is 4 meter 50 centimeter into centimeter. We have to convert 4 meter into centimeter and add that with 50 centimeter. Okay, they asked us to convert to centimeter. So we know very well that meter is the largest unit when compared with the centimeter. Okay, let us see the steps what we have studied in the previous slide. The topmost step have kilometer, next to that is hectometer. After hectometer we have decameter. The basic unit is meter. Next to basic unit we have decimeter, then centimeter, then finally millimeter. Now we have to convert meter to centimeter. Meter is the center position in our steps. Okay. From meter we have to move to centimeter. Let us move. Okay, we have to convert 1 meter to centimeter. Let us see how many steps we have to move from meter to centimeter. Here we have moved one step from meter to decimeter. Okay, so we have to multiply by 10. For each step we have to multiply by 10 if we want to convert a larger unit to a smaller unit. Okay, we have multiplied by 10. Now from decimeter to centimeter we have moved second step. So again we have to multiply by another 10. Now we have converted meter to centimeter. Therefore 10 into 10, 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Let us apply this in the place of 4 meter to convert it into centimeter. If 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 4 meter is equal to 4 into 100 centimeter. Okay. So 4 into 100, 400 centimeter. Therefore, 4 meter is equal to 400 centimeter. Now, in the question, we have another 50 centimeter. We have to add that 50 with 400 centimeter. So, 4 meter 50 centimeter is equal to 4 meter is converted to 400 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. Therefore, the solution is 450 centimeter for the given sum. 4 meter 50 centimeter into centimeter is equal to 450 centimeter. Exercise 5.1. First Roman, convert the following lengths to centimeters. Second sum, 42.05 meter. We have to convert 42.05 meter to centimeters. Okay. Let us move on to the solution. Here we have 42.05 meter. We have to convert it into centimeter. So we know very well that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now we have to convert 42.05 meter to centimeter. So we have to multiply 42.05 into 100. Okay, then only it will be converted to centimeter. You know very well that if you multiply a decimal number by 100, we will move the decimal point to the right side 2 steps because we have 2 zeros, okay, in 100. Therefore, the solution is 4205 centimeter. 42.05 meter is equal to 4205 centimeter. Let us do another sum. Fifth one, 65.745 meter. We have to convert it into centimeters. Let us see the solution for this sum. 65.745 meter. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now we have to multiply 100 with 65.745 to convert meter to centimeter. Here we have 2 zeros in 100. So we have to move the decimal point 2 steps to the right side. This we have studied in the multiplication of decimal numbers itself. So we get 6574.5 centimeter. Therefore, 65.745 meter is equal to 6574.5 centimeter. Second Roman, express each sum in its lowest given unit. First sum, 53 centimeter plus 0.4 meter. Here the lowest unit is centimeter on comparing with meter. Let us move on to the solution. 53 centimeter plus 0.4 meter. 53 centimeter. We no need to change this because they have given this already in centimeter itself. So we no need to change it. Now we have to change 0.4 meter to centimeter. We know very well that kilometer is in first position in the step, and next to kilometer is hectometer, next decameter, next basic unit meter, and decimeter, centimeter, and finally millimeter. And we know that from meter to centimeter we have to move 2 steps, that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter because 10 into 10 100. So let us convert 0.4 meter to centimeter. 0.4 meter to centimeter, we have to move 2 steps, from meter to decimeter 1, from decimeter to centimeter another one. So we have to multiply with 100. 0.4 is multiplied with 100 to convert it into centimeter. On doing, we get 40 centimeter. We know very well that there are 2 zeros in 100. So we have to move the decimal point to the right side. So on moving we get 40 centimeter. Okay, now 53 centimeter plus 0.4 meter is equal to 53 centimeter is written as it is. Instead of 0.4 meter, we found that 40 centimeter. So plus 40 centimeter, and adding them we get 93 centimeter. 53 centimeter plus 0.4 meter is equal to 93 centimeter is the solution for this sum. Fifth Roman, 34 centimeter plus 18 millimeter plus 0.5 meter. Let us move on to the solution. We have 34 centimeter plus 18 millimeter plus 0.5 meter. In this question, we have to convert the given units to its lowest unit. Let us see the steps we have studied in the previous slide. The topmost one is kilometer, which is in the topmost step, and next to that is hectometer, then decameter, then meter, then decimeter, centimeter, and finally millimeter. Kilometer is the largest unit and millimeter is the lowest unit. Lowest unit is the smallest unit. Kilometer is the largest unit. So in the question We have 34 centimeter plus 18 millimeter plus 0.5 meter. On comparing the units in the question, millimeter is the smallest one. So we have to convert 34 centimeter to millimeter and also 0.5 meter to millimeter. Let us take 34 centimeter and convert it to millimeter first. So 34 centimeter is equal to 34 into which number we have to multiply? We have to move only one step from centimeter to millimeter. So we have to multiply 34 by 10. On multiplying 34 and 10, we have converted centimeter to millimeter and the solution is 340 millimeter. 34 centimeter is equal to 340 millimeter. Next number is 0.5 meter. Let us see from meter to millimeter how many steps we have to move. From meter to decimeter, the first step, then the next step we are in centimeter, and on the third step we are in millimeter. So we have to move 3 steps. For each step we have to multiply by 10. So from meter to decimeter we have to multiply by 10. From decimeter to centimeter another 10. From centimeter to millimeter by another 10. So 10 into 10 into 10, 1000. We have to multiply 0.5 into 1000 to convert meter to millimeter. On multiplying we get 500 millimeter. So let us use this 340 millimeter and 500 millimeter in the place of 34 centimeter and 0.5 meter. The question. So 34 centimeter plus 18 millimeter plus 0.5 meter is equal to 340 millimeter plus 18 millimeter plus 500 millimeter. And adding we get 858 millimeter. Therefore, the solution for this sum is 858 millimeter. Third Roman, express as meters. First sum 3.5 kilometer. Let us find solution for this 3.5 kilometer. We know very well that units are arranged like this. First, the topmost one is kilometer, next one is hectometer, then decameter, then meter, then decimeter, then centimeter, then millimeter. Now we have to find how many steps we have to move to reach meter. To convert kilometer to meter, we have to know that how many steps we have to move. So 1 kilometer is equal to, from kilometer to hectometer, one step we have moved. Okay, on moving one step we have to multiply by 10 for one step. So 1 kilometer is equal to 10 into, on second step we are in decameter, so another 10 we have to multiply. Now 10 into 10. On the third step we are in meter now, so another 10 should be multiplied. So 1 kilometer is equal to 10 into 10 into 10. On multiplying these three tens, we get 1000. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So we have to multiply by 1000 to convert 1 kilometer to meter. Likewise, 3.5 kilometer is equal to 3.5 into 1000 meter. On multiplying 3.5 and 1000, we get 3500 meter. Therefore, 3.5 kilometer is equal to 3500 meter. Second sum, 4 kilometer 3 meter. Same way we have to convert kilometer to meter. Okay, let us find the solution for 4 kilometer 3 meter. We know the units arranged in this order. Okay, we know very well that kilometer is in topest one and the millimeter is the lowest one. Okay, 1 kilometer is equal to, we know that 3 steps we have to move to reach meter. So for each step we have to multiply by 10. So 1 kilometer is equal to 10 into 10 into 10. For 3 steps, you have to multiply by 3 tens. 10 into 10 into 10. So, it is equal to 1000 meter. Now, 4 kilometer is equal to 4 into 1000 meter, which is equal to 4000 meter. So, 4 kilometer, 3 meter is equal to 4000 meter plus 3 meter. And adding these two, we get 4003 meter. Therefore, solution is 4 kilometer, 3 meter is equal to 4003 meter. Example 2. In a garments factory, about 198 meters, 75 centimeter of cloth is needed to stitch 75 shirts of size 42. How much cloth is needed to stitch each shirt? Okay, let us move on to the solution. The total length of cloth is 198 meters 75 centimeter. So here the length is given in two different units. So we have to convert it into a single unit. Then we have to proceed. So to convert 198 meter to centimeter, we know very well that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we have to multiply by 100. On doing, we get 198 into 100 centimeter plus 75 centimeter. On multiplying, we have 19,800 centimeter plus 75 centimeter. On adding, we get 19,875 centimeter. Using this total length, they have stitched 75 shirts. So, number of shirts stitched with this cloth is 75. We have to find total cloth, total length of cloth is needed to stitch each shirt. So, we have to divide 19,875 by 75. The length of cloth needed to stitch one shirt is equal to 19,875 centimeter divided by 75. Let us divide and find a solution. 19,875 is the divide and 75 is the divisor. In 198, 75 will be 2 times. So 75 twos are 150. On subtracting, we get 48. Now bring down the 7. Now the number is 487. In 487, 675 will be. Therefore, 75 6 are 450. On subtracting 487 and 450, we get 37. On bringing the 5 down, we have 375 now. We know very well that 75 5s are 375. On subtracting, the remainder is 0 now. Therefore, the length of cloth needed for each shirt is equal to 265 centimeter. Fourth sum, how many bricks of length 30 centimeter each are needed to border a circular flower bed of circumference 3.6 meter? Look this sum carefully, students. Here they have given length of the brick which is equal to 30 centimeter and circumference equal to 3.6 meter. Both the units are same? No, they differ. So we cannot do any arithmetical operation with the different units. So first we have to convert any one of the unit to same unit. Okay, let us move on to the solution. Circumference of the circular flower garden is equal to 3.6 meter. Let us first convert this meter to centimeter. You know very well that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 3.6 meter is equal to 3.6 into 100 centimeter. So on multiplying, we get 360 centimeter. 3.6 meter is equal to 360 centimeter. Length of the brick is equal to 30 centimeter. Okay, they have given that length of the brick is equal to 30 centimeter. Number of bricks is equal to circumference of circular garden divided by length of brick. We know very well that circumference is equal to 360 and length of brick is equal to 30. Let us substitute here. On substituting, we have 360 divided by 30. 0, 0 get cancelled. 36 can be cancelled by 3 on doing. Get 12 now. Therefore, 12 is the solution. Therefore, 12 bricks are needed to border a circular flower bed. Fifth sum. If 6 pieces of equal length are cut off from a wire 8.7 meter long, what is the length in centimeter of each piece? We have to give the solution in centimeter. So, let us convert 8.7 meter to centimeter first. Let's move on to the solution. Total length of the wire is equal to 8.7 meter. You know very well that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 8.7 meter is equal to 8.7 into 100 centimeter. To convert meter to centimeter, we have to multiply by 100. On multiplying, we get 870 centimeter. Number of pieces is equal to 6 pieces. Length of each piece of wire is equal to total length of the wire divided by number of pieces cut off. So, you know that total length of the wire and the number of pieces cut off. So, total length of the wire is 870 centimeter divided by number of pieces 6. Here, we can cancel 870 by 6. On cancelling, we get 145. If you don't know to cancel, you can divide and find the solution. Therefore, which is equal to 145 centimeter. Therefore, the length of each piece is equal to 145 centimeter. Thank you, students.